First, it's Christine. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and a little bit of introduction about myself. I'm a full-time trader, and this is what I do all day. Watch on screen. Mostly on my channel, it's about options tutorial, most of it. So it's 100% technical basis. Just use the weekly strike. I do portfolio management and swing trade, but those are way different approach than the options right here. And it's on a separate screen too. I have a website tradersfish.com and the Precision Trade 365, so feel free to visit those. Our topic for today would be all about earning. You are already subscribed on my channel. You have seen yesterday's video. It's about earning Netflix and Google earnings. So here we are now that Google reported last night and Amazon reported as well. So in a video yesterday, I mentioned that Google, I was expecting at least 5% move for Google. And for the Amazon is tricky because in the last 2 quarters, it has been difficult. So let me just show you what we have here on screen. So this is Google, and let's switch a daily time frame right here in 1 year. Google at 1 year frame. Google at 1 year time frame right here. You can see the obvious double top right here at 1290, and then this was the Q1 candle before earnings to report, and this was our reaction right here. And after the 3 months right here, Google closed at above 20-day moving average. Technical per se, it's still very bullish. You can see here 20, 50, 200, and this was our 3 months again, just highlighting that pre-Q1. And after market and before market right now, Google is gapping at 8%, hovering at 8 to 9%, which is about at 1235, 1240 right here. This is our resistance right here. So we have to watch on this, the 1234 multi-pivot here, 34, 1240 resistance, and if we get past that, then 1250. For Amazon is trading lower post earnings result, and it's trading at almost 1.15%, so not much. Still above this trend line. The 20-day moving average is at 1970, so that's about, and this is our 50-day, the 1900. So it's tricky in Amazon here because for me, in my own opinion, where it is right now, pre-market at 1944, 47 bid, I don't think that will hold a support. At least the next support would be here at 1920, 1910 the least. And if we're gonna switch at 60 minutes view here, and let's just say 1 month. So this is our 1 month right here, and Amazon is trading here at the 200-day moving average, hovering right here in this area. Now if we lose this, the 1948, then we must hear the 1910 right here. Again, just want to reiterate that this video is for options, the weekly strike short term, and I would like to highlight to you my here the website. So it's the tradersfish.com, and it's free data. I input all my data here, so feel free to visit. And personally curated this data because this is what I do and I use it anyway. So I just personal diaries. You just have to go to stocks earnings report and check on Amazon here. Amazon, there it is. So see how it reacted on Q1. So price reaction on Q1 is plus 2.54, 1950 closing price, which is where it is right now, 1947, 1950. And then if you scroll down, here it is, the last Q1 chart. Isn't it beautiful? It's convenient. So check this out, guys. So let's look at the alphabet here. Just have to remember, sometimes I get confused too because I know Google, I always look for letter G, but it's alphabet. Okay, so let's see how alphabet here. So last Q1, the earnings reaction is minus 7.50%, 7.5, and now it's hovering at 8.5, so pretty close right there, and the high at 1200, and now where the bids is 1234, 1237, and this was the last earnings price reaction for Google. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Please subscribe on my channel and hit the notifications button.